Litecoin price is in need of a strong price recovery as it has just hit the bottom below the key support of $66 with a sharp fall. The coin is above the price range where it was when the month started. But the recent price drop has put the coin under extreme bearish pressure. Yesterday, the coin opened above $69, and after a steady fall it closed at $67.29. In the meantime, LT had traced a close above $68 but it faced a rejection there. Today, after remaining above $67 till 9:30 UTC, the coin has hit the bottom at $65.32 with a decline of 4.35%. However, a rebounding candle has been formed near $65.67 at 10:30:29 UTC in the last 24 hours. Litecoin has decreased by more than 5%. Litecoin intraday chart. Litecoin price chart. Despite the gloomy intraday price scenario, the 5-day chart of Litecoin shows a minor price rise. The coin saw a constant increase since 1st September, causing it to reach above $70 from $64.75 while tracing a bullish trend line. As the coin could not clear the resistance beyond, it saw a downtrend due to which it kept trading between $67 to. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.